Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Gurukul. Let's begin learning new technologies. Welcome. We are going to learn about GNU core utilities and commands. So basically these are the utilities or commands which are by default available with all the Linux distributions. So for these commands and utility, we don't have to install anything. So these comes by default. So as you can see, so these are there are many utilities and commands which are categorized in group. So we'll learn these commands group by group. So this is just an introduction of that. So let's see the introduction first. So these are the core utilities and commands which are available with the default Linux operating system. Okay, so which are need not be installed, as I already told you. So these are categorized in group according to the operation they perform, like the type of operation they perform, like looking into files, listing files, all those kind of different utilities are there with different kind of uses. So these are categorized in that way. So we'll learn this in category by category. So okay, let's begin some introduction. Okay. So these are the some categories which we are going to learn. So these are basically categorized in following list. So output of entire files. So like seeing the output of a file. So for that, the commands which are available are cat, tac, nlod, base32, base64, and all. And there are many others. So formatting files. So fmt, pr, fold, output of a part of a file, head, tail, split, c-split, summarizing a file, wc, word count, sum, checksum, b2 sum, md5 sum. All these kind of different checksums utilities are available in this section. Operating unsorted files like sort, shuffle, unique, common, ptx, and tshort. So these are the commands which are used basically to um, perform actions like sorting, shuffling, finding unique things in a file. Then we have operating on fields like cut, paste, and join. So sometimes we have columns in. Okay, so we have files where there are different columns or different fields separated by something. So on that we can extract the desired fields using cut, paste, and join. Then there is a section called operating on characters at the tr, expand, unexpand, all these things. Then directly listing for this we have ls, dir, vdir, dir colors, basic operations like cp, that is copy, dd, disk copy, then install mv, rm, shred, special file types that tell me mkdir, for making directory, rmdir, removing directory, unlinking. All these things comes into special file types. Then changing file attributes like changing group, changing mode of a file, changing owner of a file. Then touch is used to just create a simple file. Disk uses df, du, stat, sync, all these kind of things comes into disk utilities. Then printing text, echo, printf, yes. Then we have conditions like false, true, test, expression, redirection. For T command is there, to redirection for like on terminal, and in a file like two-way redirection. Then we have file names, manipulations like dir name, base name, path check. So all these category we will learn one by one by categories. So hope you will be with us, and let's learn this. So next we have working context like pwd, presently working directly, set t, print environment, tty. Then we have user information group, like category. So there we can get id, long name, who am I, group, all this kind of information related to a user in a Linux system. And we have system context, date, arg, nproc, uname, host ID, uptime. So these are related to that machine itself, system where Linux is running. And then we have SE Linux context, chcon, runcon. We have modified commands invocation like chroot, env, nice, no hub, stdbuff, timeout. Okay, then we have process related control, that is kill command. So delaying a process or a loop or any execution of any script, we can use sleep command. Then we have numeric operations, factor, num format, sequence. So these are the different categories which we'll learn one by one. So this is just an introduction, like what we are going to learn further. Okay, so there are more than like 100 utilities approx, and on this list it covers many of the functions necessary to perform basic tasks on Unix or Linux host. However, many basic utilities are missing. For like there are many utilities which are not the part of this, so that can be installed using if you can see this util.linux collection. So if you are on Ubuntu distribution, you can install apt sudo apt install util-linux, or if you are RHEL version, using RHEL version, you can use sudo yum install util Linux. So there are many different type of additional tools that you can have. Okay, so these are the different additional tools related beside GNU core utilities. So we'll also learn about this, but this just I'm giving you as an introduction. Like these are the different commands which are used for different purposes. Okay. 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 So these are basic categorization. Okay, which you already seen, and so like this we'll do step by step. And so thanks for watching, and keep in touch. Always try to support us, and comment if you find anything good or bad. Please do comment, so that we can improve and try to bring. If you want a tutorial on some specific subject, please comment in the comment section, so we can bring new tutorials and all. So thanks for watching again. Let's meet again in the GNU util section, like step by step we'll learn all these utilities about. Thank you. Thanks again. Bye. Take care.